Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wondered about safer places to put your money beyond a regular savings account? A money market is essentially a part of the financial world where very short-term borrowing and lending happens. Think of it as a pool of highly liquid, low-risk investments designed for stability and growth, even if it's just a little bit. It's often where large institutions manage their cash, but individuals can access it too through specific accounts. One of the biggest appeals of money market accounts is their focus on safety. Unlike stocks, the goal isn't huge gains, but rather to protect your principal while still earning some interest. Plus, these accounts offer excellent liquidity. This means you can typically withdraw your money without penalty, much like a checking or savings account, making them a great option for emergency funds or cash you might need soon. When we talk about money markets for individuals, we're usually referring to a couple of main types. First, there are money market mutual funds, which invest in short-term government and corporate debt. Then, banks offer money market deposit accounts, which function a lot like a savings account, but often come with slightly higher interest rates and sometimes check-writing privileges. Both offer a secure place to park your cash. So, who should consider a money market? If you're building an emergency fund or saving for a down payment on a house within the next year or two, these accounts are ideal. They offer more interest than a typical savings account without the volatility of the stock market. They're perfect for anyone who prioritizes preserving their capital and having quick access to their money, even if it means smaller returns. Ready to get started? You can usually open a money market account through your existing bank or a brokerage firm. It's wise to compare interest rates and any associated fees to find the best fit for your needs. Remember, while they are generally safe, always check if your specific account is FDIC insured if it's a deposit account. Money markets offer a smart, secure way to grow your short-term savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.